Hey, what's up guys? It's me Travis and I'm back today with a new unboxing video, and today I'm going to be unboxing this guy right here. It's the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro. It's new from GoPro. It came out yesterday. I just picked mine up today. So we're going to get this baby unboxed and we're going to see, how it looks in person. Okay, so this is the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro, one sensor, right? So before we actually get this baby out the box, we're gonna take a look at the side. So this is what it comes with, some of the features it comes with. It comes with 8K by 60, 8K by 30 open gate, plus 4K by 240 video resolutions. 32 times burst slow-mo at 1080p, 960 plus 8 times slow-mo. We got HDR, HLG, HDR video. We got a 1-inch low light sensor, a 50 megapixel photo raw camera that we could take photos with it. We got AI enhanced capture mode. We got subject tracking. This is the first time that they have this on a GoPro, subject tracking. So basically what that means is that when you move, the GoPro will follow your movement from side to side wherever you move, as long as you're within the frame. You got 4K zoom. You got a 10-bit color plus log encoding. You got a 5-hour battery life, GPS tracking, and what a lot of people is excited about, you could go 66 feet, which is 20 meters under the water, and don't have to worry about your GoPro breaking. That is so awesome. They increased the feet from 30 to 66 feet under the water. So we want to get this baby unboxed. So we're going to just lay it down, and you have like this little tear tag right here. You want to just pull that, and then you just flip it open, and then we'll just take it out. Okay, so we got this box out, so we're gonna flip it open, and what we're presented with is your camera must be updated before you can use it, which is true. You want to have all the features before you actually use this camera, so we're gonna just put that to the side. GoPro wants you to subscribe to them, and you get some offers if you guys want to take a look at the offers that you guys will actually get when you guys sign up for the GoPro subscription, which I find it handy. It comes in handy. You get a lot of discounts on their accessories and GoPro, so this comes in handy. So take a look at that. Also, you got GoPro stickers, pro tips, you can read that, and have product questions. So if you have product questions, you can look at that booklet too. So at the top, we get a USB-C to a USB-C cord, which GoPro always sends this to us. You get a cover. So with the Pro version, you get a rubber cover. I thought this was like plastic, but it's like kind of rubbery. It feels like plastic, which it is, but it's more rubbery. So that goes over the camera. We're going to put that to the side. We have the new battery. We have the new Enduro 2 battery, which lasts longer inside your camera besides the 13 battery that they actually came out with. But this battery is supposed to improve your battery life in your camera so you can shoot longer. Also, we have another mount, which GoPro always sends us that inside the box. And we have a key, which GoPro always sends us this one too. And we need the important one, which your camera does come with flaps, so the flaps will actually go into there, and you just screw it in to tighten your camera so that your camera doesn't fall or move out of place. So you tighten it, and then you mount it on to a helmet, chest, etc., etc. So now what we've been waiting for is this baby right here. We're gonna put everything to the side, and we're gonna take a look at this new GoPro. So we're gonna put this to the side. We're gonna put everything to the side. So this is the GoPro. Let's peel this. You got the front lens. You got a different type of screen. You see the sensors is different too. So when you're recording, it'll show up right there. Also, you have bigger buttons. So you have a bigger power/mode button, and also you have a bigger shutter button. This tag that says do not open mic drain, don't open that because you might damage your camera, might let water get through it. So we're gonna pull the back, and voila, you see the screen. It's just a clear screen, just like the GoPro always comes with. It comes with a front screen, and then it comes with the back screen that you can actually view what you're shooting. And I like the fact that it comes with bigger buttons. We have the flaps, and these are the flaps that goes into that mount. Or you can pick and choose whether you want to get that magnet mount, which is just clips in. That's what I use for my GoPro Max 2, where I clip it in and it doesn't need no screwing in, just clips in and it's real strong. Or you could just screw it into like a mount and it'll stay up like that. Now, GoPro did not allow us to change the lens, but they allow us to take off this part right here and exchange this, just in case this gets damaged. You can always buy another one of these, put it back on. So they teach you how to put it on, which is match up the blue dots together. And then once you do that, you want to twist. And then that's it, voila. All right, so folks, a lot of people, they buy the GoPro without a memory card. If you don't have your memory card, your GoPro will not update at all. So you might want to get you a little SD card to slide in there, because that memory card plays a big part for your GoPro. It provides memory for your updates and also your videos and photos too. Your GoPro will not set up until it has that memory card, which it goes into that slot right there. It's because when you power this baby on, you're going to have to update it through the Quick app. And if you don't have a memory card, then you cannot update your GoPro, nor you could set up your GoPro without that SD card. Make sure that you have an SD card. We have a memory card to indicate that your battery is in correctly. You slot that in, and then once you slot it in, at the front, you should see a red light flash that indicates that the battery was in correctly. So we have our memory card, which is a 256 gigabyte for our GoPro. It's a Extreme Plus SanDisk memory card, SD card. So what we're going to do, that little slot that I showed you, we're gonna push this down into there. And then push it down until you hear it like click. It's like a little button. And then you want to close that. So then we want to hit the side of the button, and then GoPro should turn on.